Go.
My favorite thing about today was the rock, paper, scissors tournament because I won.
Because you won, okay.
My favorite thing about today is that how interactive he was with his audience, and I just love his company. So.
Awesome.
My favorite thing about today was that Rashad was inspiring me, and I think a lot of other people, and I just wanted to thank you for that.
My favorite thing about today was Rashad showed us some motivational stuff, and I really took it to heart.
My favorite thing about today was Rashad coming to the school and coming to give us and inspiring us so much.
My favorite thing about today was that he told us that there's always someone going through something worse than you are, so you just gotta always be knowing.
My favorite thing today was all the student involvement and hearing from students that I've never met before.
What I liked about today is that we got to express many ways through kindness in, many different forms.
Awesome.
1. All right, so how did you feel about the performance today?
I liked it, and I learned a lot of things.
Okay. So what would be the thing that you say you learned the most?
To be yourself, and that you don't know anybody, and to meet them.
Do you feel like this is something that a lot of kids need to hear?
Yeah.